Now you guys saw lateral shift, right? So now what you guys are learning is what happens if light passes through multiple media. Like for example, let's say you have air. From air it goes on to water, and then it goes on to glass, then it goes on to some other denser liquid. Let's say I don't know which denser liquid, so maybe some other denser liquid, and then coming back to air. So what we are doing is light is passing through multiple media, right? So it undergoes multiple refractions. Now what exactly happens here we need to know. Okay, now let's say it is going from, let's say, A to B to C, then back to A. Okay, we'll consider only two media for now. Now for the first two surfaces, that is from A to B, now what is happening? Light is going from optically rarer medium to optically denser medium, correct? So we have A mu B is equal to sin I by sin R1. So let's call it as R1. Fine. Now if this is R1, even this angle will also be R1 because alternate angles. Then this will be R2. This will also be R2. Then finally emergent angle. Right. Now for the first two surfaces, what we found out was A mu B sin I by sin R1. Correct. Next, between B and C, we have B mu C is equal to sin R1 by sin R2. Right. Then for the last one, that is between C and A, we have C mu A is equal to sin R2 divided by sin I. Right. Now remember, emergent angle is the same as the incident angle. Right. Now what we do here, we multiply all three. That is A mu B into B mu C into C mu A. So this will be nothing but 1, correct? Just like principle of reversibility. So now what we do is we take one of them to the RHS. That is, what we'll do is A mu B into B mu C is equal to 1 by C mu A. So by principle of reversibility, this will be ulta. So we have A mu B into B mu C is equal to A mu C, right? So this is what happens whenever we have multiple medium. That is, when light enters through one medium and then it exits through some other medium. So we can use any in-between media to figure out what is the relative refractive index of these two. Okay, now this plays a very important part because a lot of applications are there based on this. So a lot other applications you guys will get to know what it is in the coming videos.